It's too early for this.
Or maybe you just need an afternoon pick-me-up.
Or maybe you don't care what time of day it is and you just want a cup of coffee before bed because you like the taste of it. Regardless of what time it is, I'm gonna teach you how to make an iced caramel macchiato at home so you can skip that Starbucks run, plus keep that money in your pocket. Psst. I still make that occasional Starbucks run because why not? So this is what you need to make an iced caramel macchiato. Of course, you need the coffee beans and the caramel. This vanilla syrup. I know Starbucks makes one, but I've heard really bad comments and reviews about it that it tastes like chemicals. So I'm gonna stick with Torani. And then you need obviously ice, a glass that you wanna put your drink in, and you need a coffee machine. I just realized I forgot the milk. Be right back. Can you tell I like oat milk, especially Oatly? All right, so now we have everything. Let's get started. Actually, before I get started, if you don't have a fancy espresso machine like I do, you can actually use an AeroPress, a mocha pot, or a French press. All right, let's start. All right, so what we're gonna do first is take our glass and put some ice cubes in it, however many you want. I don't have a fancy ice maker, so this will do. Next, we're gonna take this syrup, vanilla syrup, and we're gonna pour it into here. I don't like to eyeball it personally because I feel like I will pour too much. So I do usually between 1 to 2 tablespoons. Depends how I'm feeling. Today I'm feeling 1 3/4. That's about good. Next, I like to measure everything accurately. So then I'm not guessing how much I did. Do I want more milk next time? I want less? Yada, yada, yada. So I measure everything. So we're gonna measure the milk. Shake, shake, shake. And we're gonna do 12 ounces. Well, that's what I've decided over time that's my, I guess, favorite, best. Let's see if I can get 12 on the dot. Yes! Beast mode. Time to make some espresso! Time for the best part. This is my favorite part. So time to take that espresso. Yum. Can't forget this. A little drizzle on top. And see where I'm pouring. I don't do a lot. Oh my gosh. I don't usually do a lot. Got it all over the place. We're working out. I'll just lick it all. And that's it. Cheers. Delicious. This probably looks a lot darker than your typical Starbucks macchiato because I like the taste of coffee and not all the sugar and everything. So if you want it lighter, you can put more of the vanilla syrup or the caramel or even just more milk. All up to you, but I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and I'll see you later. So good, so good. Have an amazing day. Bye.
Bye.
Good night.